Good day, it's John T here. Today we will be replacing the window of the Victor CNC lathe. You will see later in the video that when I take it out it's really badly cut by shavings. I've already gone out and have purchased a new window and went to our local car part dealer and I got some sealer for it as well. As you can see here, the window is quite badly scratched by shavings. There's a crack there and a crack there, and here's some form of indentation. Then there are 14 screws around that bolts the front frame, that orange frame, to the door itself. We're going to be removing them. What I did now is I took the door outside and I washed it with some soap and water just to get most of the shavings and old oil off. Now that I've got everything nice and clean, what I'm going to do is I'm going to run a bead of silicone on the outside edge and here on the outside edge, then I'm going to glue it with the sealer in the frame here. Oh, look, some of this protective stuff. There we go. Just look at that. Now that's really nice. So after quite a bit more of a struggle than I anticipated, we've got the window in and we do have the sealer right around. I'm just going to put some sealer on the holes here so that we don't have any form of the holes on the door, which you can't see. Yeah, I'm just going to put some sealer on here as well on the door so that it seals nicely there. Wow, after quite a tiring exercise, got the new window in, a lot of cleaning. I hopelessly overused the sealer and then had to spend a lot of time cleaning it off all over on the edges and on the inside. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe and ring that bell.